What happens when you do bad
Sunod-sunod,
footwork,
oh.
he moves right foot back.
One.
He should have, but Tim was able to catch up to him
Two.
with that left hook. That is right foot, his left foot. He didn't
Three.
pull back with his left foot and pull out of range. See right here, when Tim attacked, the left foot didn't move. See that? He turned his torso and that allowed
May
Tim to
strategy
Alay niya kasi
siya.
kaya niya suntok ni Bradley.
Is that lazy footwork or distracted
Baka
footwork?
mapapagsak na siya dyan. Yan.
Something you might do to
Araw
think
na
you're
sa'yo
totally in
yan.
control of the fight.
That's exactly right. And you're not worried anymore.
Jim, you said he needed something dramatic to change the fight. He got it. Is it enough? Can he follow up on it, Tim Bradley?
Nakalamang ng 10 minutes ni
4 rounds to go.
Ano na?
Bradley chasing another big moment.
Petty wanted him to go after
May
him.
tinatago.
Then was screaming, get him from the corner. And Bradley
Malakas ang resistensya niya eh.
Hindi sa huli niya.
Pag si Pacquiao ang tumira, ay babagsak siya.
Pakagat niya lang kanina yan.
To build off of that last round momentum.
Yan.
And you can't do that by waiting on Pacquiao because he's going to catch you sooner or later if you wait on him.
Sasalubungin niya yan ngayon, tingnan mo. Pag suntok ni Bradley, sasalubungin niya ng makakrack yung mukha niya. Yun ang pinandali niya kay Cotto eh. Yan, ganyan.
And right hand by Bradley.
Yun.
Pacquiao lands the left inside. Bradley's
Opo, si
energy
Bradley.
level is rising as he tries to rally.
Maano si Bradley? Palaban din.
Yeah,
Yan,
the
umiiwas na
difference
siya.
in the last 3/4 of a round and the last round till now, maybe from the rest of the fight, is in those exchanges, Bradley seems to be getting the better of it and landing the heavier level.
In the last 2 rounds. Bradley's greatest chance here may come from the fact that Pacquiao still has that champion's instinct.
Yan,
To want to
gumagalaw
answer
na
back
siya.
every time Bradley does something good. He's creating openings for Bradley by
Mm.
mounting his offense.
Takbo ka na siya.
Pacquiao back with the momentum as he backs Bradley up and lands a left hand over the top.
And he may have one of the quickest 1-2s in the business, Jim. And an effective 1-2.
Yun, sinasalubong niya na ngayon eh.
Right back at hurt
Yan.
Bradley.
Ang lakas na kaniwa.
Tatlong balik ka.
Ang lakas.
Sabi ko na sa iyo, basta lumaban siya ng dikdikan, delikado siya Bradley.
Bagsakin mo na.
Hindi talaga siya mananalo kung hindi niya pinabastak
Malakas ang
yan.
kaliwa eh.
Twice here, and that time it was with a thunderous left hand shot.
Ayan.
Para si Algeria.
Exactly right.
Quicker fighter.
Ako, wala.
Sayang, hindi yung murders lahat eh.
Ako, ma-save by the bell siya.
He's a great counterpuncher.
Save by the bell lang.
Malakas na ulit to si Pacquiao.
Malakas talaga siya kasi nagbumaling na yung kanan niya eh.
Money. Oh, sige, go. Habol, sige.
Wala na, bell na eh. Oh,
Tumambling eh.
wala sa